क्या बॉलीवुड में वाकई एक्ट्रेसेस को मिल गया है बराबरी का दर्जा? क्या फीमेल स्टार्स को इंडस्ट्री देने लगी है एक्टर्स के बराबर फीस? और फाइनली क्या पिछले सालों में आई कुछ वुमेन ओरिएंटेड फिल्म्स ने सच में बदल दी है बॉलीवुड की सोच? ये सवाल आज एक साथ इसीलिए जरूरी हो गए हैं क्योंकि आज है वुमेन्स डे, और वुमेन्स डे के इस खास मौके पर जूम आपके लिए लेकर आया है बॉलीवुड में वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट का रियलिटी चेक। तो शुरुआत की जाए विद्या बालन से, जिनके सिल्क अवतार ने बदल डाली है बॉलीवुड की बयार। इश्किया और नो वन किल जेसिका के बाद विद्या द डर्टी पिक्चर लेकर आई तो सिनेमा बनाने वाले और देखने वाले दोनों ही वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के तरफदार हो गए।
I'm enjoying it. I couldn't have asked for more really as an actor. This I think really is, and I hope I'm not jumping the gun, but I think it's a wonderful phase for the Indian actress, for the Hindi film heroine.
विद्या की बात से इत्तेफाक आखिर क्यों न रखे कोई, क्योंकि जिस फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में अब तक सिर्फ मेल स्टार्स का जलवा रहा है, वहाँ विद्या ने अपने अकेले के दम पर वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट का झंडा लहराया है। इसीलिए उनका पक्ष लेने वाली एक्ट्रेसेस की कमी नहीं, जो मानती हैं कि आखिरकार बदल गई है सबकी सोच।
I think it's been a wonderful year for films, but also for the women. You're absolutely right. And I mean, it can only be a good thing. I'm glad that people finally realize that women are not just props in a movie and not used just as decoration in a movie, and that we can actually bring some substance to a film.
It's really nice to see, women doing that. Whether it was Vidya and Dirty Picture, whether it was Katrina and Mere Brother Ki Dulhan, or whether it was No One Killed Jessica Rani and Vidya again, or whether it was Saath Khoon Maaf.
I think it's fantastic. I think the fact that, that somebody can do a film like a Dirty Picture and, etc. I think it's brilliant. I really think that the fact that the films like that are being written and made are absolutely wonderful and great going. I think it's amazing.
Things are changing and it'll take time. So let's encourage men to think differently. You have to change the gaze of the male. And it's the mindset. And in fact, mothers have to are the ones who should be taught how to behave, how to tell their children, male child, to behave.
लेकिन इसके बावजूद जब हमने की प्रियंका चोपड़ा से बात, तो उनकी बात से लगा ये इतना भी आसान नहीं है।
India is male dominated. It's not just the film industry. We like watching movies with boys taking revenge as a country. We like, it is a male-dominated country as such. We as a culture are male-dominated. And of course, women are getting tremendous amount of, power and tremendous amount of, positions now. And the position of a female is really being, accentuated in every field. But we're still male-dominated. That's why so far and few in between.
प्रियंका का वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट पर यूं मायूस हो जाना थोड़ा डिसअपॉइंट करने वाला तो है ही, क्योंकि विद्या के बाद अगर ऐसे चैलेंजिंग रोल्स करने वाली कोई एक्ट्रेस है तो वो पीसी ही है, जिन्होंने एक्सपेरिमेंट्स किए हैं। सात खून माफ को ही ले लीजिए, फिल्म भले फ्लॉप रही हो पर पीसी का पैशन तो हिट है। लेकिन कुछ तो ऐसा है जो बॉलीवुड में वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के आड़े आ रहा है, और इसका एक डायमेंशन जूम से एक्सक्लूसिवली बात करते हुए दिया बिपाशा बासु ने।
I think this phase keeps on coming and going. This whole thing that you talk about, actresses, reigning the roost and getting to do what they want to do. It happens. It happens for a couple of films. It stops. Happens couple of films. Stops. So it's an on and off thing which has been going on in the business. I have stepped into the business and I have gone through the same notion. I have done films where people have said, oh wow, it's a woman is driving a film, Raz, Jism has been, or a corporate, So there are phases. So I have also gone through all those phases where I am considered this glam thing, whether it's like in many of my films.
बिप्सी नहीं और भी बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेसेस हैं जो फीमेल स्टार्स के लिए बराबरी के दर्जे को फिलहाल पॉसिबल नहीं मानती।
Ultimately, right now, it's still the heroes that are, the mega budget films that are being made are still on the heroes. The actresses are still doing the films. I mean, it's just 5 crores or 6 crores. So the revenue is, if it doubles, it's a hit. So I think an actress like us will always be considered a hero. I think when we get that kind of recovery, like a bodyguard.
वेल, ये तो सिर्फ एक झलक थी इस वुमेन्स डे पर शुरू हुए एक बड़े डिबेट की, और इस बार हमारे शो बॉलीवुड बिग स्टोरी का यही टॉपिक है, इस वुमेन पावर हियर टू स्टे ऑन सैटरडे एट 12:30 PM, जिसमें आप देख सकते हैं वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट पर एक बिग डिबेट। पर आखिर में आपको जरूर देना चाहेंगे सोनम कपूर का एक इम्पोर्टेंट मैसेज जो उन्होंने इस वुमेन्स डे पर अपनी लाइफ के उन 2 मेल्स के लिए दिया है जिन्होंने सोनम के लिए हमेशा रखा अपना लव एंड सपोर्ट।
There are 2 men in my life who have always stood by me. One is my father and the other one is my brother Harshvardhan. My father has brought me up and my sister better than he would bring up his own son. In fact, he's more biased towards my sisters than he is towards my brother. I will not say that he's brought me up like a boy. I think he's brought me up as a very strong individual as someone who is absolutely going to be an amazing individual and someone with a great future. And my brother who loves us enough to get my sister and my tattoos on his shoulders. Who thinks that we are the most important people in his life, whether we're girls or boys or whatever.
So here's wishing all the female viewers of Zoom a happy Women's Day. Bureau Report, Zoom, Mumbai.